The cryptocurrency market attracts a lot of attention and many people are thinking about how to start trading on it and make a profit. After gaining basic knowledge, an understanding comes about the need for a strategy. Technical or fundamental analysis alone is not enough for success. It is imperative to learn different tactics and learn how to use them in practice. It should be borne in mind that the cryptocurrency market is the most volatile market. You can see price fluctuations between 20 to 30% in just a few days or even hours. Second, traders usually do not engage in mining, but they should be aware of the costs of this procedure. If the cost of mining increases, the cost of the cryptocurrency also increases. And also the political and economic components greatly affect the price of cryptocurrencies. Don't try to repeat after someone else. Analyze the market and look for clues.